That is the new BMW logo. Chepra.
చెప్తున్నావు ఈ మధ్య అవి స్టిల్ హైడింగ్ ఇట్.
What's up, Upay? Right.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ బండి వచ్చేసింది బట్
మీరు ఆపుతున్నారు కదా నా డెలివరీ అయ్యేదాకా.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
తొందర లేదు.
Yeah, 1 week थोड़ा सा.
that's 3 months new bike. we're waiting for
easy background report.
బండి చూపిస్తున్నారు.
Oh, sorry.
we're waiting for Shiva to come. Late, always late.
అయితుంది చలో రెడీ 3 2 1.
Hey, this is GS.
This is the main reason I took the bike. This color. Next generation, you're not getting this color.
అది బర్రె. ఆ బర్రె పైన నువ్వు ఎట్లుంటావు ఒకసారి చూడాలి నీకు. లుక్కర్.
Congrats, buddy.
అందుకే వాష్ రైట్ అన్నాడు.
పక్కకు కనిపిస్తున్నాను బండి పైన.
Oh, 310 coming from. So people that are not used to it, they feel like that.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay.
మావాడు పెద్ద బరువేం కాదు. పుష్టి అంతే.
రెండు పెడితే ఇట్ స్పెషల్ పెట్టి ఎక్కుతాయి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ పెట్రోల్ రెండు కాలం
వస్తుంది.
ఫస్ట్ వీల్స్
Almost.
the proportions here,
Yeah.
especially when you look at the seat and width,
But the more you sit on it, the smaller it's starting to feel already.
like the rear tire feels too small now.
So I think especially at this rear 3/4 angle, it feels very small.
The best look is from where Sriman పిచ్చి పీక్స్కి వెళ్ళింది అంటారు చూడండి, ఇదే అది.
Okay, start.
Hey, what's up, bro? What's up, guys? कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? నేను శ్రీమాన్. బొక్కలో
ఏమైందిరా బండి వచ్చిన ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ లో బొక్కలో నుంచి
అంటే మామూలుగా క్రియేటివ్ ట్రై
క్రియేటివ్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ డైరెక్టర్ కమ్ రైటర్ కమ్ ఏదో ఉంటుంది
For
కదా.
queries, please contact.
చెప్పు.
Chai and 2 Wheels on Instagram. Thank you.
దిస్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఎ ఫెమిలియర్ బైక్. గుర్తుంది కదా మంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్స్. Zing zing amazing.
All the panels, everything has been designed.
Hey.
So that you can customize it further and all statement చేశారు.
Right.
అరే ఇట్లా చూస్తుంటే ఐ యామ్ గెటింగ్ టెంప్టెడ్ టు జస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ ఇట్ అండ్ గో. ఆల్ ద టియర్ వర్క్.
ఇక్కడ పోతుంది సార్.
చరణ్ టామ్ క్రూజ్ గుర్తుకొస్తుందా? ఆపోజిట్ లేన్ లో పోదాం.
టామ్ క్రూజ్ ల్యాండింగ్ సీన్ గుర్తొస్తుందా? ఇంజన్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఎట్లా వస్తుంది దీనికి?
One from the front, so it's like this, and then it goes from the down. So itla vastund, ila vachi ila vastund.
కానీ ఇది
But it completely ruins the
లుక్ ఆఫ్ ద బైక్.
it ruins the look.
And by the way, we have Dino Bhai here.
హాయ్.
Hello.
యూనిఫామ్ వేసుకోవాలి కదా.
Automatic గా coolness వచ్చేస్తుంది రా ఇట్లా.
So that was Sriman's unboxing. I think my...
Sriman's bike unboxing రా. వాడిని తీయలేదు రా డబ్బా నుంచి.
So we unboxed Sriman's bike. ఏదిరా లాగింగ్ డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తారు.
నేనేమన్నాను రా. Hey guys, so we just unboxed Sriman's bike. Now we just came to grab some coffee and we'll see what the plan after that is.
Very quick, very short. Because it's coming from the Bangalore showroom, we didn't have the full unboxing experience, but some of it was there. But bike looked beautiful here. I already saw a 1250 GSA in the basement. We also checked these bikes. This guy is R90 and my brand new 850. Repaired, fully repaired.
రక్షణ ఆఫీసర్
నీది 850 మన బళ్ళని మనం ఇన్సల్ట్ చేసుకునేట్టు ఉంటుంది.
నాకు పర్వాలేదు రా, నేను చేస్తాను. అసలు కూడా ఆ బండి తీసుకున్నాడు, వదిలేడు బండి. వైపు నుంచి ఒక్క మంచి మాట చెప్పు.
Now we have to wait. Now we have to see how much Freeman talks about the GSA. We had enough of Tiger. Now it's going to be about the GSA. But that's okay. Let him do it. So today my bike delivery would have also happened, but it's just that RTO work is done. The payment formalities are due from the bank. It should come by around 6 o'clock, and these guys were not in a hurry to deliver it. I said, "Okay, I am also not in a hurry. I'll take it tomorrow because I have to go home now. Again, come back, take the bike. It's a little complicated, so we'll have the delivery tomorrow."
కాల్ యూ మనం టుడే వాల్
When's your delivery?
కెమెరా ఎత్తుకో అది చూపిస్తున్నాం.
Whatever later.
ఓకే అయితే
First
మై
time.
బైక్ డెలివరీ విల్ బి ఆఫ్టర్ ఐ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆల్ ద ఫండ్స్.
అదెప్పుడు?
అది ఇంకా ఊడుస్తున్నా అకౌంట్స్, లాస్ట్ ఒక అకౌంట్ ఊడాలి. ఐ నీడ్ టు డిగ్ ఇన్ టు మై సేవింగ్స్.
So number 1, number 2, number 3
ఏం చేశారు?
delivery.
ఓ,
Number
ఈ
1
order-
unboxing.
ఈ ఆర్డర్లో అంటావా?
Number 1 unboxing. Number 2.
రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్లో ఎంత ఉంది బైక్?
Best looking bike of all 3 of us is Chaitanya's.
జస్ట్ లైక్ మీ.
A biscuit dino face jodu cheppach. So the delivery didn't happen even the next day because there were some issues with the RTO. I thought the model was approved in the RTO Vahan database. Apparently it was not. So they're still processing that. Feel gutted with how things have happened. I initiated the bank formalities and finished all the payments from my end also, thinking it's done, but apparently it's not. We have to live with it. There's nothing else I can do right now. Before getting the TR, I thought the delivery would happen. I got the insurance done too. So need to double check with the insurance company because on TC, it's not your bike, it's the showroom's bike or the manufacturer's bike. You can't have it insured and the policy is void. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you have the TR. If it's on TC, you can't go out also. You might just take the delivery and get it back home, but it's just that it's a very complicated scenario. So have the TR before deliveries. That's a must. That's the status of my bike. Steeman's bike is readily available, but he needs to finish the financial formalities too. We have all the bikes here in Hyderabad, but we can't have it. Such a big irritation, but eventually we'll have it. In the unboxing video that I posted of my bike, I've noticed 1 or 2 comments about how we afford these bikes so easily, like we buy them like chocolates, etc. All these rude and harsh comments were some of them, 1 or 2, not many. Majority of them were happy to see such bikes. We just want to give you the best content possible. I want to give you one example of how we can afford and how you can also afford such premium bikes. See, a Creta or a Seltos would now cost probably 21-22 lakhs on road. These bikes are in the similar price category, and for us bikes are much more important. We change bikes more often than we do cars. Like I've been using a 4-year-old Elantra. I just changed an S-Cross, which was also 4-year-old, to Nexon. This will stay as long as possible because this is an EV. So with cars, you guys don't ask because it's just how the norm is in the society. But with bikes, when you see it, typically you are associated with maximum 2 lakhs, maybe up to 3 lakhs. But when you hear about anything that's costing about 3 lakhs, there is certain barrier where you think the primary purpose of this is to go from point A to point B. Why are you spending so much? All these typical questions come around. It is understandable if let's say people who are not aware of bikes have it, but people who watch YouTube videos like ours and also understand what goes into these biking, I think the cost is something that you need to get over that. Simple thing I would like to explain is my bike costed 11 lakhs ex showroom. It's going to cost me 13.2 on road. So I've taken a loan of 6 lakhs. That EMI would be around 20,000, which I can afford because that's around 30% of my current income, which is much lesser than what I earned 3 to 4 years back. For the remaining 7 lakhs, I've invested around 20,000 to 25,000 every month in the last 3 to 5 years. Since 2016, I've been investing in mutual funds and also some stocks, and I've sold my Street Twin, so I have money from there too. I've invested them in the markets, but I invested them in the long-term tax-saving funds, so I can't take them out. But previously, I was also investing in tax-saving funds, so they were available. After 3 years, you can take some funds out. So that's how I was able to invest, let's say, 4 lakhs. and which has now turned into a value of 7 lakhs. So this is happening since 2016, since 5 years. So the actual cost for me is only 4 lakhs out of pocket. That's the down payment I'm making. But I've invested it like 3 to 5 years back, and that's why I'm able to afford that big down payment of 7 lakhs, and the remaining 6 lakhs is a loan. So that's the total cost of the bike, guys. Typically, if you plan out well, you can get the down payment through either savings, or if you sell previous vehicles, that was also on loan. It's just that we change bikes every 3 years, but we also invest simultaneously. Like I always tell my followers to invest 30% of their income. So in my case, I used to invest 20,000 back then, 20 to 25,000 every month. Everyone can afford these bikes if they are financially prudent, if they save money for investments, and you plan your bike purchase or car purchase 3 to 5 years ahead of the time. Just because we show you so many bikes, we don't buy all of them, and since it's a bigger group, we have a lot more people buying bikes, so that's why you see. But please don't judge us randomly, guys. That's the only message. And even if you judge, we hardly care, because it's for our entertainment that we ride these bikes, and for your entertainment we show you how these bikes feel, so you can make a good purchase decision. And that's the gist of it. I don't know when the delivery video will be coming up, but I hope it's done this week at least. It's just long due, man. Fingers crossed. Hope you enjoyed. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.